Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about 3 repairs that could warrant selling your Toyota Prius. The first reason is the Prius battery failure. Prius owners were never taught to maintain their hybrid batteries. Most have no clue that the NIMH, which is nickel metal hybrid battery, develops memory loss over time. The reduced capacity of the battery then causes it to fail, to leave the owner with a decision to make: sell the car or fix the problem. The second reason is if the catalytic converter was stolen. Believe it or not, people are selling their Prius in California over a catalytic converter. The reason is that once these converters are stolen, it can cost an owner anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 in repair costs. That can hurt a Prius owner, obviously. And the third reason that may warrant to sell a Prius is that the Toyota Prius brake pump and actuator problems. This repair is a hefty one many times. The brake pump, which accumulates hydraulic pressure needed to help with clamping the pads to the rotor, does tend actually to fail over time. The cost of the replacement can easily set you back well over $1,500 depending on where the repair is done. This is quite a bit of money for many Prius owners, obviously, or for many people in general. So, while reasons of selling a Prius is very personal, whatever your reason is for selling your Prius, I'm sure that it is completely personal. I know that after a few 100,000 miles, you may be ready to trade in or sell that Prius, which has brought you loads of joy over time. But these were some top 3 reasons that may warrant selling a Prius if your Prius has met with any of these problems. Let us know what you think. Add your reasons to the list in the comments below and share this with friends. Subscribe to this channel and like this video and hit the ring bell so you may be notified when we upload our next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time and visit us at torquenews.com for daily Toyota Prius news coverage. Have a blessed day.